In this video, we're going to show you how you can replace the lights inside your taillight assemblies on a 2018 Ford F-350. The very first thing that you're going to do is lower down the tailgate to gain access to the screws that hold your light assembly in place. These bolts here are an 8mm, so we're going to go ahead and just go lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And then you're just going to go ahead and separate the light, grab it, and pull it straight out. It's got grommets that are holding it in, and two. And you can see the grommets here. So this is its keeper, this is its other keeper, and these are the pins that go in there. So when you're looking at this light in here, you have your two screws that come out, then you're at this angle here, put your hands on this inside here and on the bottom and pop them right out. Once you pop them out, you'll be able to get to your three lights here, your brake, your running light, and your reverse light. And to remove them, you can just turn them to the side and pop them right out. And to reinstall them, you just do the exact same thing. And these bulbs, they just come right out. So we can just go ahead, hold this guy, pull the bulb out, and reinstall it. Now, it's much better practice to not touch these with your bare hand because the greases and the waxes on your hand are gonna cause the bulb to fail prematurely. Now, this bulb won't ever get hot enough for that to occur, which is why I touch it with my bare hands, but that's something to think about. Another note for you guys, if you're noticing that you have condensation on the inside of your lights assemblies, it's very possible that this little rubber grommet right here is all that has failed. So if you wanna go ahead and check that out, you can go ahead and order those. Now, this bulb right here is a 3157. This bottom bulb here is also a 3157. And the way that these remove is very simply pull them straight out. You can see the base of them, and you can just reinstall them by clicking them in. Now, to install them, you just have to make sure that the three notches here match the three notches that are in the light assembly itself. So we'll go ahead, make sure that our notches are lining up, and reinstall. And click them in. If you need to remove the actual light pigtail itself, what I do is I press the pigtail in all the way, then I depress the little black tab, and then I just wiggle it on out. Now that's if you have to replace that assembly, because if condensation gets in here, sometimes these do short out, and you'll just go ahead and replace the socket itself. Now I'll go ahead and just reinstall it in reverse order by first lining up my two plastic clips and giving them a tap. And then I start my screws by hand. And then I go ahead and reinstall it. And do the same with the bottom. And you don't have to over tighten these. Remember, this is plastic, so I'm probably putting 8 foot-pounds of torque. Very, very little, but they won't back out. If you like this video and you want to see more service videos, be sure to smash that subscribe button. We're going to be making a whole playlist on the 2018 F-350. I'm Blair with RevitAuto. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, happy motoring.